Hey everyone, welcome to the Better Dispensing video series. I'm Tom Messino, Application Specialist for Nordson EFD. And in this video, we'll be talking about ways to help make your dispenser setup go a bit more smoothly. Let's take a walk. So when setting up your dispenser, there are three things to remember. The dispensing size is controlled by the tip, the air pressure, and the timer setting. Now once you've selected the tip and set your air pressure, these will remain constant. You'll then adjust the timer to control the amount you want to apply. So how do you choose the right dispensing tip for your application? When you're making a dot, take the diameter of that dot and cut it in half. That's going to give you the idea of the dispensing tip you should use. When you're making a stripe, take the width of the stripe and cut that in half. And that's going to give you the idea of the tip you'll need for that stripe. Once we've selected the tip, now it's time to set the air pressure. Here's what I like to do. Put a new dispensing tip on the syringe. Now you would have selected this tip from the diameter of the dot that you're going to make. On your dispenser, start at 0 air pressure and slowly work your way up. As the air pressure is increasing, I'm not watching the gauge, I'm watching what's coming out of the dispensing tip. This helps me purge the dispensing tip and establish my flow. Now that we've selected our tip and established our pressure, we're going to work with the timer to control our dot size. Start off by setting your timer at 0.250 seconds and see what kind of dot that gives you. Then increase or decrease the timer based on the size of the dot that you need. Here's a helpful hint. To be more productive, you can always increase your pressure and decrease your time. That will allow your operators to go faster. So let's talk about the dispense mode. Anytime you want to make a controlled, consistent deposit, you should always be in the timed mode. You'll know you're in the time mode when the time actually displays on the screen. Anytime you want to make a long stripe or a long bead, you should be in the steady mode. Whenever you're in the steady mode, there's no time displayed on the screen. Okay, we talked about a lot of things today, so let's recap. To set up your dispenser properly, you first need to select your dispensing tip. Next, set your proper air pressure. And lastly, if you need controlled, consistent amounts, always be in the time mode. I think that'll do it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.